Yeah, good day. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be talking about understanding mineral right before vacant land acquisition. Understanding the mineral right. Mineral right before vacant land acquisition. When buying a land, when buying a land, when buying a land that is vacant, it is essential to understand mineral rights, which can be separated from service rights. Research the property history. You have to research the property history. You have to review the contract and consult professionals to determine ownership and potential application. Knowing mineral rights can impact your use of land and potential compensation. So there are a few things we have to consider. We have to consider in knowing our mineral. There are a few things we have to consider when we want to understand mineral rights before vacant land acquisition. Number one, we have to determine if the mineral rights are owned by the seller or a third party. Number two, we have to understand potential extraction activities and destruction review contracts and lease agreements carefully. So we have to consult with little companies, abstractor or attorneys. By understanding the mineral rights, we can make an informed decision and avoid potential use. So there are things we have to put into best practice. Like we have to conduct thorough research, we have to research the property, the history, the mineral rights, we have to consult the expert, we have to carefully review the expert. So by taking all these steps, we can make an informed decision when acquiring vacant land and avoid potential issue rights. So there are some additional we can still consider the following too. Sever mineral rights. If the mineral rights have been severed from service rights, you may not have control over the underground resources. Potential for extradition, it means when they research the property potential for oil, gas, or mineral extraction and the likelihood of the extraction activities. Environmental impact. We have to consider the potential environmental impact of extraction activities on your land and surrounding area. Compensation and royalties. Understanding if you are entitled to compensation royalties from extraction activities or not. So with all this, with all the consideration, all the best practice, so I believe we now have a best understanding about mineral rights before vacant land acquisition. Yeah, mineral rights before vacant land acquisition. So in summary, what we mean is just like we want to buy a land, for instance. Now we want to buy a land that is very, very vacant, and we have some mineral resources there. It can be gold, it can be oil like gas, it can be gas, it can be oil, it can be dynamite, it can be rock, it can be any kind of sand, any kind of lustrous. So we have to understand the rights we have and the kind of minerals, because the kind of minerals will determine the kind of rights we have to hit. So we have to understand it. We have to understand the mineral rights. We have to understand mineral rights before buying our land. We have to put some things in consideration. We have to put into consideration before buying such a land. Yes, we have to put in consideration before buying such a land. So by this, when you put all this into consideration, I believe we never have any problem when we are buying our land. When we are buying our land and when we want to have the access to such minerals on the land. So thank you very, very much for listening. I really appreciate you. So we're going to see you in the next class. Bye for now. Thank you very much. Please kindly like and subscribe and share this video, because these things that will give us motivations to do more videos for you. If you have any videos you want us to do or you want us to enlighten, just reply in the comment section. So thank you very much and have a nice day. See you in the next video. Bye bye.